This is going to be a quick video showing you how you can get a dataset loaded into Jaguar. So you see here I've got my console and here I've got my data viewer for Jaguar. So what you do is you go to your data viewer. You can either click open data here or you can click open data here. You're going to click that and then you're going to have to go to where you have your data. I've downloaded it and put it on a desktop folder. So I go to my desktop and I go to my example data. And then I'm going to click at polity4.csv. It's comma separated values. So then I click open, and it's going to give me a couple of options here. Now, as you can see, this sort of makes sense. It has headers here, and we can see the rows in the columns sort of make sense. A lot of the times, though, you need to mess around with this a little bit. So, for example, if header is not selected, then it's going to show you some junk up here that doesn't really make sense. You'll see in the first row, oh, well, these are actually my column names. So you gotta just click header. And then sometimes you'll also need to put if there's a single or double quote which surrounds the data. And but by messing around with that, you'll sort of see what would make sense or what would not make sense. Sometimes you'd also have to change if it was separated by a comma or a space or a tab. But regardless, by messing around with a combination of these two dealies here and with or without a header, you can usually get it to sort of make sense here. Then you just click load. You can see in the console here it is loading, and then it pops up right here. And so you just go ahead and check, yep, the titles here make sense. It all looks like it's sort of as we would expect it to. So that's how you would get a file to load using the data viewer of Jaguar.